back to generic shape again. We click on Flexi Shape, generic shape. We'll do a new shape. Enter width. So in this case, we're going to cut some box section. So let's pretend we've got some 100mm box section, 100 by 100. So it's chopped a length at 100 by 500, for example, with a 5mm leading. So there's our virtual box section. We want to stick a few holes in there. So as before, we go add cutout, circle, 15mm. It's a 100mm box. We'll stick it in the center, 50 across and 50 up. We then want to slot in there for a lock or something. So we'll put a vertical slot in. We'll make that 20 across by 50 deep. And we'll stick it 50 across. And we'll stick it a bit further up, 100. And then we'll stick another hole in, the circle, right, this 20 diameter again in the middle, and we'll put it up to 200. So that's a bit of virtual box that we want to cut a load of box sections with these holes in them. So we've got a button here, only cut inners. So we click on only cut inners. What this will do is remove the lead-in line from the outside, and it will remove the kerf from the outside. So positioning these will now be a case of positioning the plasma torch in this bottom left-hand corner. And it asks us for a number of repeats. So this is defaulted at 50. We can type anything we like in there, 66, whatever the number happens to be. So what will happen in operation is we'll position the plasma here. It'll drive, cut this hole and a slot and the next hole, then it will stop and wait. You then, as an operator, would remove the box section, or you'd rotate it, then press the start button again, and it'll cut those 3 holes out, and it'll carry on doing that 66 times. So you make that number bigger than the quantity you want. The other way to cut box section is by clamping lots of box sections together. So we won't do that for 66 of them, we might do it for 5. And we stick a pitch in. So we've got a 100mm box in there. So in reality we want it to be 100.5 or so to make allowance for this shape of the material. And this will give us a strip. So we clamp these together, and this will just go along, cut all the holes out. So let's go back to our previous method, and we'll have 10 of those. So there's our box. We'll save that. So that is 100 box. Next. This is all set up from previous. So to cut the box section, we're going to choose, we want to start in this bottom left hand corner, so this origin here. We press start. So it will drive around, cut the first hole out, then onto the second hole, and onto the third hole. Then it will stop and wait. So now at this point we remove the box section, we put our new piece of box section in, and we press the start button again, and if it were in cut mode it would then carry on, cut the next holes. So a simple way to cut box section.